Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of ginger, but also why you should avoid it if you have certain health conditions. Ginger is a popular spice known for its unique flavor and potential health benefits, but it's not suitable for everyone. Let's dive into it. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. It may aid in digestion and help alleviate nausea and vomiting. Some studies suggest ginger may help lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moreover, avoid ginger if you have these health conditions. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medications, ginger may increase the risk of bleeding. Individuals with gallbladder issues should avoid ginger as it can worsen symptoms. People with certain heart conditions or on specific medications should consult their healthcare provider before consuming ginger. If you have any of the mentioned health problems, there are plenty of other herbs and spices you can use as alternatives to ginger. Turmeric, cinnamon, and garlic are great options that offer similar health benefits without the potential risks associated with ginger. While ginger can be a fantastic addition to your diet, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks if you have certain health conditions. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching.